Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen and I do fashion, beauty, hair, and lifestyle videos. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a ColourPop Mystery Box. This video is long overdue, but we are getting into it today. Is this box worth it? Let's dive right in. All right, so first product here is this is Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter Gel. All right, I see you, ColourPop. I currently do not own this product, so far this is great. All right, so I don't know if you can see it. There's a lot of glitter outside. Opening it up. So this is there a color? Yeah, this is in the color Sparks. All right, so this is a body glitter. So let's ooh. All right. So this is it. And I'll apply. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You guys seeing this? Wow. All right. Wow. Just wow. Wow. And the weird thing is that I know exactly where I'm gonna wear this glitter. Okay, so next item out of the box is the glowing lipstick, and this is in the shade Let's Jet. All right, so I just removed my lipstick and we're gonna try this out. Let's see. Okay. All right, so this is a pretty subtle color. I can rock with this. And the best thing about this is that I can actually get away with it without wearing a liner. All right, so next product is a Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick, okay? And this is in the shade Heads Up. Okay, and I'm gonna put it right here. All right, that is pretty. It's like a pretty mauvey color. That is beautiful. Put a little more. That is pretty, but for some reason it kind of reminds me a bit of the shade that I'm wearing. So let me put them side to side on my hand so that you guys can see on darker skin tone. They do kind of look a little similar, but yeah. Yeah. They're not they do look kind of similar, don't they? But one is a liquid lipstick and the other one is a glowing lip. So I guess one has a little bit more shine than the other, but they kind of look similar. Okay, so next up we have another lip product. So this is Blotted Lip. I absolutely love the blotted lips. And so far, all of the colors that I've received and my mystery boxes have gone well with my skin tone without the need of applying a lip liner. And so far, I haven't gotten any repeats, so that's great. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a Barbie pink. All right. All right, let me go back over. Okay, so that's the shade right there. So I see that we're sticking with the pinky mauve tone. Yeah, definitely. So I absolutely love pink, so of course I have to try this color. Let's see. So this is it on dark skin tone. Oh, I don't think that I gave you the color of this one. This one is called Iconic Moment. All right, so next up we have another Luxe lipstick, and this is absolutely beautiful, the packaging, and this is in the color Digits. Oh, this is are you seeing this? Like the packaging has like it's like a rose gold with little tiny stars all over it. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, so now we have a nude. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm looking for it on my skin. Yeah, we got a nude. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not really seeing. Maybe it will come out different on my lips. All right, so I tried removing the blotted lips, but as you can see, it does stain. But I'm very interested in this nude as it's not really showing up on my arm. I wanted to know if it's gonna show up on my lips, or is this a no-no for dark skin? So this is it. It's really subtle, kind of close to my skin tone, but it can work. I can see, yeah, I can rock this. I can rock this. Is it a shade that I would buy right off the bat if I see it on the shelf? Absolutely not. But for those no makeup type days, I could, yeah, I can make this work. I can make this work. All right, so next up we have, this is the pressed powder blush, and I see that these two are from the same collection, and this is in the shade Claim It. I'm not sure which collection this is from. Claim It. Oh, okay. They're like wings. Ooh. And this is a blush. So I'm gonna take a little bit, apply that there. Not bad. Not bad. But I'm really not sure that this is gonna work for my skin tone. I guess we'll just have to see. I'm definitely gonna be coming back and do a review using these products. Of course, I won't be able to use all of the lip products at once, but I will let you know if it's worth it to me. Next up is the Jelly Much Gel Eyeshadow, and y'all, I am so excited to try this product. I've been eyeing these for a while, and I'm glad that I got it. I'm very glad that I got one of these. And this is in the shade All Love. Oh wow, look at it. But it's like there's barely any product in here, but then maybe you don't need a lot of product, but this is like a beautiful Barbie pink. Y'all, come on. All right, let's take a little. Ooh, it's like, it feels kind of like a sponge. I didn't want to take too much because, oh my goodness, can y'all see that? The lights, ooh, the sparkle, and the, wow, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. So these are our colors so far, and I can see where ColourPop was going with this mystery box, keeping within the pink theme. Beautiful. All right, so next I have No Filter Setting Mist. Okay, well, in my previous video I just showed you guys the latest Pretty Fresh setting spray. So this is a setting spray and this is a setting mist. Wow, I'm sorry, I'm showing you guys this thing and I was holding it upside down. All right, I am so sorry. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Setting mist, setting spray. Okay, this is very liquidy. All right. Okay, this is a setting mist infused with rose, chamomile, and marine extract. Okay, direction. After applying makeup, shake well, hold 6 to 8 inches away from face, close eyes and mouth, and mist directly onto skin. All right, so this is perfect because I just did my makeup. However, I did not put on well, I didn't just do my makeup, but I did my makeup okay, I did my makeup a little while ago and I did not use my setting spray, so here we go. I shook it well. Oh, this is really, whew, wow. This is really a mist as opposed to the setting spray that really, you can feel the water hitting your face with this. That's what I mean. You can definitely feel the water hitting your face with this. And it smells nice. It has a nice floral scent. There's a nice, there, yeah, definitely. I can feel the water sprinkle going on. So will it hold my makeup? Let's see. All right, and then lastly, we have the eyeshadow palettes. So far I'm excited. I did not receive anything that I already own. So let's go. So first one is Cloud Spun, and I'm happy because I do not own this palette as yet. Ooh, yes. And just the other day I was saying I don't have many pink colors and eyeshadows, and pink is my absolute favorite color. And yeah, I will be bringing a look with this one. Fasha. Fasha. All right, so next palette we have Aura and Out. All right, so this is Aura and Out, and this is it. Oh, I see you. These are pastel colors, and as we are in spring, this is beautiful. So hey guys, I will be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. My mic died and I didn't realize that it died. My microphone died and I was unable to refilm this video. So I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. Now for this particular palette, Aura and Out, believe it or not, I actually love the colors in this eyeshadow palette. I love the color story, and just by looking at it, I already envisioned in my head a look that I can create, that I will be creating using this palette. And ColourPop usually always comes through with their pigment, so I'm just hoping and praying that the pigment is good enough to show up on my skin tone. If not, I will make it work. I will make it up. All right, so keep watching my videos. I will be coming out soon with a look created with this eyeshadow palette. All right, so next up is the Inner Trance eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette, however, I don't believe came in the mystery box. I believe that I purchased this eyeshadow palette separately. I'm not sure. I will look it up and let you guys know that in the description bar. So look out for the information in the description bar down below. Now, as per this palette, I am absolutely in love with the colors. I am a pink girly, and I do see myself creating a beautiful ombre look with this eyeshadow palette. Yes, absolutely yes to this eyeshadow palette. And the plus so far with this mystery box is that I don't own anything that I've received today. All right, and last but certainly not least is the Lost in Love eyeshadow palette. And y'all, I am so happy to have received this eyeshadow palette. I have been eyeing this palette for a minute, and I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. So far, I can definitely, so far, well, this is the last item. I can definitely say that this is my favorite ColourPop mystery box thus far. And this eyeshadow palette is ColourPop's last year's Valentine's Day collection. So we have received 3 items from this particular collection from ColourPop. And as per this palette, I love the packaging. The hearts give this 3D effect. And when you open it, yes, I am absolutely loving the pinks. Y'all know I love pink. I'm loving the colors in this eyeshadow palette, the mix of the pinks and the reds. Now, if I had an ideal, perfect eyeshadow palette, this might just be it, or this might come very close to it. And yes, I am a bit biased because I do love the color pink. So right now, I can definitely say without a shadow of a doubt that this is by far my favorite ColourPop mystery box. Hands down, no repeats, love the color story. Definitely my favorite ColourPop mystery box. All right, now that was it for my ColourPop mystery box unboxing. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, keep a lookout. I will definitely be coming back with tutorials using these products. Yes, I will have at least 2 separate tutorials using these products. All right, until next time, bye-bye.